you know, they know what they're looking for.
This one might work. When you need like less than a yard, always look at the remnants, I'm telling you. Hey guys, I'm making a shirt today. It's inspired by this Kapital shirt that I like. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. Yep, the shirt that I just showed you, or I'm currently showing you, is $650 plus tax and shipping. I'm not paying for it. So I decided I would try to make it. Also, if you say anything about the fact that like I'm wearing this thing over the actual shirt I'm wearing, shut up. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like the other shirt I'm wearing is doing too much. So we're gonna put this on. It looks dumb, but I don't care. Anyways, so first I'm gonna show you guys my materials. So I have my sewing machine, the thread. I'm showing you things I bought. So I got this shirt from the thrift. So yeah, and this was $7.57, which is more than I would usually pay for a shirt like this at the thrift. But then next, I went to Hobby Lobby. I picked up 2 of these shirts. I bought this blue one, which is the original idea. And then I also bought this gray one. This one's actually a little bit cropped, so I want to try this one on because it looks like it's going to fit really well. And then for the 43 on the front, I'm probably not going to put 43. I'll probably put something else if I decide to put a logo or something. But I'm going to use this remnant fabric that I also picked up from Hobby Lobby. That was $2.91. Okay guys, here's my very let me date it. You see it. You see it. Let me signature. But yeah, anyways, this is my sketch. It's really rough. It's really just so I know how many pieces I have to sew. If I want to do this, I would put a certain fade on the shirt that I just don't really have time to do this weekend. So I forgot, I don't have any fabric. I didn't buy the extra shirt to put the fabric like up here like that. I did not buy the fabric to do this part. Okay, so I decided I cut the base, or like the main shirt in half. The sleeve is still in one piece, but it's a little bit bigger than the opening for the sleeve on the shirt, so I don't know how I'm gonna account for that. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. It's still inside out and it's not done. But I just attached both the sleeves. But as you can see, there's still a gap in the side. So I'm thinking, I don't think, like, y'all know that I'm not able to put that extra, like, pattern of fabric at the top. So I'm thinking instead, I'm going to sew in a panel right here to connect these of this fabric. So it'll be like, but this is it. This is it with the sleeves. I like the colors a lot. And then I'm going to line up the seams like this, or the hems like this, I think, because I want the panel hem to be longer than this and distress it. So I just finished sewing the shirt, like the basics of it. I had to break a few stitches and redo them. Like y'all know, like I said, I don't use patterns or anything, so there's a lot of trial and error, but that's the fun part. I mean, how boring would it be if it was just like, yeah, fill, or like using a pattern? Because if you use a pattern, it's kind of just like, it's like tracing the lines, like boring. Well, not boring, just boring for me, because that's not why I am sewing. Part of the fun is like messing up. Okay, well, here's the shirt. This is the first time I've flipped it inside out, and honestly, it looks pretty good. Right now I'm just kind of cutting excess thread. This is what it looks like. It looks a little bit crazy like this, like I'm not done with it for sure, but I'm about to unhem the bottom, unhem this bottom as well. Probably distress the bottom as well. And then I'm going to cut the cuffs off for sure. Gonna cut the cuffs off. And that should make the shirt itself look just the sleeves alone look a whole lot better, but don't mind my hair, please. And there's probably threads in my hair, so okay, but yeah, this is the shirt right now. So I cut the sleeve as I told you I would. I distressed this top part right here, the neck. I don't know if you can tell. And then the bottom I unhemmed, distressed as well. And then I'm also going to distress this front panel. It's too clean. I think I am going to add something to the front. I just don't know what yet. This is the final shirt, guys. So I added holes, distressing. I think I might add more holes on the back. And then the front just looked way too plain without that like detailing, so I added these tally marks, but honestly I don't like them. I think I'm going to take them out. But yeah, overall this shirt is not what I wanted it to be, and I think it's really just because the stripes on the side, like, it's just too much stripes going on. If it was all gray, I think I would have liked it a lot more, or I would like it a lot more, like that. But honestly, I don't hate the shirt, and once again, it's just something cool that I made, so like I don't really care. But here's the thing as well, is like cropped a little bit. I feel like cropped is cute, so I'm thinking I might cut it. But if I cut it, then I lose this beautiful hem at the bottom. I don't know, but yeah, this is the final shirt. Tell me what y'all think about it. I think it's cool, but it's just not what I had envisioned in my head. I will rate this one a solid 7, because this one was a lot of fun to make. I learned a lot. I got better at sewing on sleeves. I tried sewing on a detail. And then I love the hem at the bottom of the shirt. I feel like it taught me a lot. And I feel like the whole point is just for me to teach myself things to the point where I can make clothes. Yeah, bye.